Hello friends, today we see so many cute cars and toys. So come with me. See here how many supercars and toys. See friends, what is this? This is a supercar. The car is running. Wow! See, this car has music. The music is playing. Now the helicopter is coming. Wow, it is running so fast. Another helicopter, black color. Wow. The next toy is coming. Wow, the tortoise. The spirit of toys. Yes, they gather together. Next toy is coming. What is this? Wow, this is the truck. See the wheels. The wheels are also pink. Nice, decorated, and red color. Super city bus. It's running so nicely. See friends, the wheels are orange color and nice. See here how many supercars and toys. Wow. Red, green, blue, yellow. Wow, spider car. So many toys. Do you need this? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.